Alright, so hey guys, it's Mark, doing another vlog. My mom is, she's sleeping. Yeah, she's, snoring actually, and we're gonna get a good video of it, cause she doesn't know. Haha, that's what I was trying to do, but I failed. But let's go do it. Here we go. So anyways guys, that's the vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed it, of my mom snoring. It was really funny, right? I know y'all were laughing. I know. It was that funny. Anyways guys, till next time, keep it Mark. Yep. Make sure you like the button and subscribe too if you haven't already. Please, it would make it really good if you did. If you subscribed, it means so much to me. Anyways, I'm Mark, and this is a vlog. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Peace.